Have you ever felt like you're learning faster but not getting better at doing? Welcome to Mindful Workday, simple practices for well-being and productivity. And today's topic is focus on cultivation to install real being. Have you ever felt like you're learning faster but not getting better at doing? We are living in a shortcut culture. It makes us believe that faster learning equals instant mastery. But real success doesn't come from collected knowledge. It comes from cultivation, growing skills slowly, integrating them, and living them.
AI gives you answers, but it can't build your inner capability. AI is powerful, it saves time, clears confusion, and supports us brilliantly. But here's a gentle truth we must remember.
AI can give you information, but it can't build your real being. Your real being is the version of you who can truly do. Comes from practice, repetition, and slow integration of learning. When we depend too much on shortcuts without cultivating ourselves, we may start feeling shallow, shaky, and unsure because growth hasn't had time to settle inside you. Here are 3 simple practices to cultivate and install your real being. Practice 1. The 10% slow down practice.
Every time AI gives you an answer, ask yourself, do I understand this or did I just receive it? Then pause and read it again slowly, only 10% slower. This tiny slowdown gives your brain time to digest, not just download.
Practice 2. Short practice, real embodiment.
Before a meeting or presentation where you use new knowledge, take 2 or 3 minutes to rehearse it in your own words. This small practice plants a seed, so your skill grows within you.
Practice 3. Improve just one thing a day.
Ask yourself each morning, what is one small skill I will strengthen by 1% today? Not everything, just one. Consistency builds identity. This is how real being grows.
Shortcuts makes us faster, but cultivation makes us real. AI can help you look smart, but cultivation can help you being capable. May your workday be a gentle journey of cultivating your real being, stronger, wiser, and more authentically you every single day. Have a nice day.